Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm gonna test you by giving you a few challenges that you need to complete for the show strings block. So without any further ado, let's get straight in. The first challenge that you need to do is you need to first add a show string block, change the text inside it to your name, and then after that, just click on the run button. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do this. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Okay, so first you need to go to the basic tab over here. Click on that, scroll down, and you will be able to see show string. Now just drag this into the code area over here. You can see this big white plain area. Just drag it over there. So click on it and drag. Now just don't drag it in this big white plain area, because then it has that gray like color, right? It's not gonna work then. Put it under the on start. Why? Because we are, making this happen when this microbit has started, right? So just drag it over there. Now you can see I've dragged it on the on start. Now, what was the next step? We need to change the name. So let's change it to your name. I'm just gonna change it to my name, but you can change it to your name, okay? It's your option. So, my name is Kshithij. Then, now, it's time to click on the magical play button. So just click. You can see Kshithij is coming over there. Kshithij. Kshithij has come, right? That is so cool. If you did that, great job. Give yourself a pat in the back for that great and amazing work. It is really nice, okay? The second challenge that you need to do is you need to first add a show strings block, and inside the show string block, instead of typing your name in it, type your favorite movie character. Any character, it could be any character. Iron Man, Superman, Spider-Man, any character, okay? I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So first, let's go to the basic tab over here. Click on that and you can see show strings, right? Now let's just drag it to the code area over here. Okay, you can see this big white code area. But don't just drag it there. Drag it inside the on tab, because we want to play the show string when the simulation or microbit has started. So now let's change it to your favorite character. You can change it to whatever character you like. Personally, my favorite character is Spider-Man. So I'm just gonna put that Spider-Man there. And now, what is the last step? Let's click on the magical render button. So click. You can see Spider-Man text is being displayed over there. Spider and man. That was so cool, right? If you did that, great job. Give yourself a pat on the back for that great and amazing work. It is really nice. So your third challenge that you need to do is you need to drag a show strings block to the on start, and then after that, instead of putting your favorite character in there or your name in there, this time put your favorite section of the microbit UI. Okay? I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So first, you need to go to the basic tab over here, and then after that, you can see show string. The show string, just drag that into where? Just drag this show string over here. Drag it to this big white code area over here. So click on it and drag it. But don't just drag it here. Drag it to the on start, because we want it to play the show string block when the microbit has started, right? So just drag it there. Change the string of it to what? let's change it to the favorite section of the microbit. You can change it to whatever favorite section you like. Personally, I like the testing area a lot because you can test your microbit in there, right? So I'm just gonna put testing area. You can put whatever else you like. You don't need to just copy me, okay? I'm just gonna click enter, and now let's click on this magical run button. You can see there is testing and area. That is so cool. If you did that, give yourself a pat on the back for that great and amazing work. It is really nice. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.